show you an easy step. As you see here, 9 and 16 is perfect square. So what we're gonna do, 3 times 4, square this, we get 9 and 16. Then double this have to give this number 24. So what I'm gonna do is just I came here, 3x plus 4, then 4 and square this is become 3x plus 4 is equals to 0, and then I get 3x is equals to negative 4x is equals to negative 4 over 3. Let us check it the way you know before. So what I'm gonna do is just I come here and 9x squared plus 12x plus 12x plus 16 is equals to 0. I take 3x as a common, 3x plus 4 plus x plus 4, which is 0. Then 3x plus 4, and then I take this also 0. As you see, it is the same, so I can just take the 1 of a, and this is equals to 0. 3x is equals to negative 4, then x will be negative 4 over 3. So we got the same. Guys, if you face this kind of question, you can do like this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.